Welcome everyone. I'll show you how to use the TOF sensor from ST Microelectronics for a very simple task, turning on a backlight inside a kitchen cabinet. I have been looking for a ready-made solution for a long time, but all of them were not beautiful. ST Microelectronics released a wonderful product VL53L0X which I used in my DIY project. The small dimensions and physical processes underlying the operation of the sensor allow it to be integrated even into furniture without loss of aesthetic beauty. This sensor has a feature and it consists in the presence of an aperture of the sensitivity zone. This means that the use of the sensor in the vicinity of surfaces requires compliance with the installation conditions to avoid false triggering from reflections. To mount the sensor on the top cover of the cabinet, I made fasteners with a sensor tilt angle of 20 degrees. This is sufficient for reliable operation of the sensor. The program implements a check of the number of sensors, in my case 3. It will work even if there is only one. Working mode. There are no sensors, the light is off. The distance is greater than the threshold, turn on the light. The distance is less than the threshold, turn off the light. LED strip is controlled by a MOSFET transistor. Thank you for watching.